Hi everyone, this is Shilpa. Today we are doing a local spotlight with Soumya Raghav. Soumya is a yoga instructor. Hi Soumya, welcome.
Hi Shilpa. Thank you so much for having me on Localista.
Happy to have you on. So tell us a little bit about your yoga background and experience.
Yes, I have over 12 years of yoga experience. I'm a certified yoga instructor. I teach at the Republic of Yoga and also at Integral Yoga Studio. I often conduct workshops on yoga and pranayama. I also do have a home studio where I conduct classes.
Very nice. And I understand you have a pranayama series coming up.
Yes, it's coming up on the weekend, that is tomorrow and day after. It's a 30-minute pranayama session, which is offered free, keeping in mind the
Especially in today's situation.
Yeah.
Yes. So maybe in that context, you can talk a little bit about what is pranayama and how do you think it's relevant in the situation today?
Yeah, it's one of the limbs of yoga. Asana practice is another limb.
Mm-hmm.
So pranayama is split into two words, that is prana and ayama. Mm-hmm. Prana means the vital energy or the life force. Right. And ayama is control of breath. Mm-hmm. So the technique of controlling our breath, the process in which we are able to retain the breath and to optimize the pranic force in our body, that is called as pranayama. There are various techniques prescribed in the Hatha Yoga Pradipika and the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. So this is what I'm going to be focusing on, keeping in mind the present scenario.
Great. And can you talk about some of the benefits, right? Like how does it help? What are some of the benefits?
Because the list can go on. Mm-hmm. So it's a great de-stress, declutter the mind, be able to travel inward. It removes toxins from the body. Mm-hmm. It takes out blockages in the chakras that we have, the 7 chakras that we have in our body. Okay. It also helps us target the underlying issues. There is research shows that it can reverse, there's something called as break the chain, where we are able to reverse the DNA material in the body if we have any underlying diseases. Mm-hmm. Regular practice of pranayama can break that chain. Oh, improve lung capacity, kick up the metabolic rate, mm-hmm. help the digestive fire, lots of benefits. So there's only benefits.
Okay, that's great. How about you demonstrate one of those, one of the practices right now?
Okay. My favorite is Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Nadi means the channels in which the life force travel. And Shuddhi means to cleanse. It's to remove the toxins and to remove the blockages. The right hand in Vishnu Mudra or Nasika Mudra, the thumb and the ring finger and the pinky is sticking out. Closing the right nostril, breathe in through the left. Try to hold the breath and then release it through the right. Inhale through the same. Hold. Exhale through the left. This completes one round. A minimum of 15 rounds is prescribed to be able to feel the actual effects. Exhalation and inhalations happen from the same nostril. So to know more about it, you can log on to Zoom tomorrow. I'm offering at 8 a.m.
Awesome. Thank you so much. It was wonderful having you on, and look forward to seeing you tomorrow at your online session and more of those. Keep posting about it. Thanks everyone for watching, and do keep an eye out and stay tuned for more of these local spotlights. We'll be doing a lot more features on local businesses.
Thank you so much for having me, Shilpa. For more details, I'll post the details on Localista.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you so much.